Hello friends, today I'll be doing a grotto for Mama Mary using this plastic bottle. So now this is a big plastic bottle. Depending on the size of the statue you all need to place inside the grotto, you all can take that size of a plastic bottle. Here now what I'm doing is I'm simply marking an outline of the part that I need to cut out for the entrance which looks of the cave like structure. Once I am done just roughly marking the areas, all I will do is with the help of a cutter. Once I am done cutting out this marked portion, I will have the entrance of the grotto where I will be placing Mama Mary. So here this part also is gone, which I didn't mark because it's a straight cut. So I've left a good gap because this bottle needs to stand straight. Now here I have few brown color paper, and with the help of hot glue I will be sticking it around the full bottle. So this really takes a little patience and time, but trust me, the end result looks very good. So I'll not show you the full process of doing it. You have to hold on to it as and when you put these round pieces on the bottle in this way. And the glue gun, hot glue is very hot, so please mind your fingers. And this is how the front portion of the grotto looks. Quite neat, quite cute, and I'm almost done with the full thing. Can you see? Doesn't it look pretty? Don't worry about the inside portion because I have a very beautiful idea for it. Now you can do two things. You can either leave it in this way, or you can do what I am doing. Now here I am taking water with glue and I will be sticking tissue pieces over this thing, over this structure in this way. I am not using too much of glue because I do not need a tissue kind of pasting. I just need that look of the tissue. And if you can see here, no, this is not the dried portion of the tissue, but this is the white cement that I have used over the tissue that was dried. Can you see this portion? This is all covered with white cement, but I have not made it too thick nor too liquidy, just a paste form, and I am simply dabbing it over the tissue because the tissue has the ability to soak the water. And now finally the grotto is done. I have placed it with glitter cloth. You all can place it with any kind of cloth that you all like, and it's time to place Mama Mary inside. And this is how beautiful it looks. She looks stunning, and the grotto enriches her beauty as always. So let me know in the comments, how did you all like these DIY grotto making, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time with another new hack on Tip Lab. Bye for now.